Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a little pack with me and we're going to be packing all carry-on only. So I'm going to be squeezing everything into my carry-on. So I'm actually headed to New York City for 5 days. I'm packing as if I was gone for 7 days. So basically this is a 1 week in a carry-on just because I did want to have a couple of different outfits to swap between for the different things and the different activities that we're doing. So technically it's enough stuff that's going to last you 7 days, but I'm not actually gone for 7 days. I'm being a little extra. Obviously this kind of stuff is for more of a city trip. If you're going to be doing some sort of outdoor adventure, then this is not for you. Always starting off with something to sleep in. Things like my toiletry bag, I always keep this pre-packed here. My makeup. If you're doing carry-on only, then you need to have your liquids in a separate little baggie. This kind of sucks because you're only allowed a certain amount of liquids and it has to be under a certain size for each thing. I think it has to be under 100 mils for each individual liquid. So I really got to pick and choose what is the essential things I want to be bringing with me. Basically decided on some foundation, sunscreen for my face, slash I can rub that on my chest and neck too, 2 essential skincare items, some toothpaste, and then I also have one of these little portable perfume things and you can just spray any perfume that you have into one of these, and those are honestly so great for traveling. So that's all I'm packing for liquids, and then I also like to bring a big empty water bottle with me through security, and then I'll fill that up once I get through to the other side. So starting off with the clothing items that I'm going to be bringing, one thing is going to be this white blouse here. I love this sleeveless little blouse, and I brought this with me to Nova Scotia as well, and it's just such a cute top that matches with a lot of different bottoms and just makes an entire outfit. So I thought this would be a great one to bring to New York as well. Then I also picked out my black mock neck top. This is just a sleeveless basic black mock neck. Then I picked out this green floral blouse here. I just love this. This is something fun, something different with a little bit of print, so it helps to mix things up a little bit. And that's it for my tops. Now for my bottoms, I went for a pair of basic black shorts. These are a great thing to bring because they go with everything. One longer skirt, so this is a skirt that goes just past the knees. This like burnt orange, rusty color midi skirt here. A pair of like boyfriend style, really loose fitting, really comfortable denim. Oh, I also have a white t-shirt here, but I put these to the side because this is what I plan on wearing to the airport. Just something really comfortable, t-shirt and baggy jeans. I also am packing a couple of dresses. What I love about packing dresses is they are the entire outfit and they don't take up as much space because it's not like a top and bottom combo. You're not layering up things together. It's just the one thing. Bing, bang, boom, you done. So I have a white dress here with some buttons down the side. I actually got this pretty recently from RW & Co. It was on sale and I literally could not resist it. It was so cute. So I picked up a white dress. I have this striped blue dress here. I love this. This is another dress that's just a really cute outfit as a whole. And then I also am bringing my black polka dot dress here. So that's 3 dresses. That's 3 outfits right there. So the reason that I picked out all of this as clothing is because I thought they all would mix and match pretty well together. So like I mentioned, the white top can go with the pair of boyfriend denim for a cuter casual look. It can also go with the pair of black shorts, and it can go with the orange skirt. So that's 3 different outfits right there with just those 4 items. Next, I picked up the white t-shirt because that goes with absolutely everything as well. That goes with the jeans, that goes with the skirt, and that goes with the shorts. I picked out the black mock neck because that goes with all 3 as well. And then last but not least, the floral blouse. That one's gonna go with the jeans and the black shorts. It doesn't really match with the orange skirt, but either way, I'm getting so many different outfits with just a couple of pieces that I am gonna be packing. So if you are packing for a week-long trip, try to think, what can I mix and match with different things that I can pair up in different ways and I'm getting different looks out of them. Now onto my shoes, I'm gonna be packing just a basic pair of sandals. Every time I've ever been to New York, I have done a boatload of walking. Like so much walking that my feet kill by the end of it. So comfortable shoes for me is an absolute must. I thought my tan Steve Madden sandals, these will go with all of the outfits, perfect for daytime looks, and that's literally what I'm gonna be wearing every single day as my footwear. Just these shoes right here. Then I also thought a pair of black little block heels. These would be my nicer shoes that I could go out for a night in or for a nicer dinner or something like that. I'll have these shoes as that option. And last but not least, I do plan on going to the gym or doing some sort of fitness while I'm there, so I am going to be packing my sneakers. So all of this good stuff I'm going to be packing up into this suitcase here. Hi Maxie, what are you doing, my monkey? What are you doing? Are you coming to join me? Okay. And then like I mentioned, I will be wearing this, so I don't need to pack that, and I'm gonna be I'll be bringing with me my faux leather jacket as well, just to pop on as an extra layer. I always get really cold on planes. Plus, I'll have that for an extra layer to pop on over top of any of the outfits if I need it, if it does get cooler at night. Then I'm packing some gym clothes. So I have a sports bra, some leggings, and a top. These are all gonna go with my sneakers in my backpack. So I know every airline has very different rules for what's allowed as a carry-on. The airline that we're flying with, we're going with Air Canada, they allow one of the like suitcase bags as well as a personal bag. So a personal bag counts as a backpack, your purse, a smaller bag. For my personal bag, I'm gonna be packing all of my gym clothes in here as well as stuffing my purse in there as well. And then I can just, you know, grab my purse out of there once I get on the plane. So these are all going in there. Last but not least, clothing wise, I'm just packing a nicer dress that I can wear out to cocktails or a nicer dinner or something. This is just a black lacy dress that I have here with longer sleeves, and this is from Zara. I got a few years back. A curling wand, I'm just packing one little curling wand in there, and that's that. That pretty much sums it up. I also have to grab my underwear and a pair of socks for the gym as well, but otherwise that's what we're packing for 5 days / 1 week in a carry-on. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!